Hi guys, I'm just gonna show you today. It's almost end of it, but cooking lobster uh, with some of their claws and using some rosemary with butter and some spices that you like. Not too much spices because that will remove the taste of sweetness of lobster. I'm just serving that with a nice vegetable, and you don't also cook too much them. So I have here asparagus, carrots, and Brussels sprouts. Mix them with olive oil and some dry garlics and salt and pepper. Obviously, black pepper. Do not forget, and both of them black peppers. And also, you can add uh, let me see, what was the name for this, paprika, yeah, for coloring for both of them, so that create a beautiful color on them. So almost the vegetable is already, like, you put it like 10 minutes, not much, because I don't want it smushy. So next time I will show you guys how did I created this. I mean, to take out all the meat from the claws, which you get quite sufficient amount of it. So just to show you guys this one, and maybe next time I will show you the whole preparation of such recipe. Talk to you guys later.